And yes, JAMB is not what you think it is. There's this misconception people always take to factor. JAMB is not about how brilliant you are. It's not at all. Okay, JAMB is simply how smartly you answer questions. No, seriously speaking, I'm a former JAMB candidate. I wrote JAMB last year. Okay, so as I was saying, like there was one dude, one brilliant guy that was in my class then. He's this smart guy that everybody wants to be always around. You understand? So there's another guy. His name is Wisdom, my classmate too. So this guy now, he also two was actually going for the same course. You understand? So this Wisdom I'm talking about, he's like one of the dumbest. Then I'm sorry to say that, but like I can't compare. Like I wouldn't compare Gideon and him. You get, but JAMB, what that boy scored, I was astonished. I couldn't even believe. Wisdom scored 234 in JAMB. He's not brilliant. Wisdom isn't brilliant. He just knows how to answer questions. You get. Gideon, on the other hand, I expected Gideon to like get 300 plus. You get. That's what I expected. But guess what? 22. You understand? So I want you to just know that it's not about how brilliant you are. It is not about how brilliant you are. It's the way you answer questions. You need to learn how to answer questions properly, smartly. You understand? Another thing I want to let you know is that you can't read everything. You just can't. It doesn't work like that. You just can't read everything. Reading everything is a trap. It's a big trap for yourself. You can't. You just can't. Work smart, not hard. We all know JAMB repeats topics. You get. So reading everything is like, how will I put it? Like you try to read everything. It's possible. Why? Some people do it, but I don't know. I feel following a pattern is more better. You get than reading everything. You can't. Don't just read everything. Relax. Think. Be smart. Okay. Another thing I want to tell you is that, guys, JAMB, to be sincere, JAMB, JAMB, JAMB is literally easy. Take it or leave it. JAMB is easy. Just fashion all those things your friends are telling you, and all those former of your dudes or your friends, blah blah. Who cares about them? Those niggas or those guys are lying. Trust me. Those just how will I put this? Let me just round up this video. Let's just end this video. JAMB is easy. See, JAMB is easy. I mean, they tell you, man, speak pidgin safe. JAMB is easy. Why I say so? Number one, do you don't believe me if I told you that in the space of 2 months, okay, I hate reading books. I hate reading. I hate studying. You understand? Personally, that's my own personality. But would you believe me if I told you that in the space of 2 months, I was able to score 249 in JAMB? Clap. Thank you. So, what I'm saying is that one thing is for sure: study. Don't look at me. I don't know how to put it. I just knew how to follow patterns. That's why I got 249. You understand? I'm not the smartest dude in the world. I'm not at all. I'm literally one of the dumbest. I'm not smart. Guy, me specials. Me, you know my name. I'm not smart. I'm not that intelligent. I'm just myself. And I was able to get 249 without putting much effort. So, this JAMB you are going for, read though. If you want, like for example now, if you want your papa buy you bicycle, or they don't promise you iPhone 17, that's what you talk now. You don't promise you this kind of thing. Read me, get your score. But courses like computer science, cyber security, all those, you understand, my new courses that, like for example now I'm offering computer science at Uniport today. So all these minute courses, they are, it's not. Sorry, I said I was offering. I'm actually a JUPEP student now. Unfortunately, I wrote JAMB last year, but long story. I'll later see it in another video, but in this video, I can't put all this stuff here right now. So I want this video to be short, sha. So the only thing I want to say is JAMB is not what you think it is. Just take it or leave it. JAMB is not what you think it is. So probably in our next video, I'll emphasize more on things that I haven't talked about yet. You understand? I just did this video. I made this video in a rush. As you can see, I'm not even prepared. Like, I just woke up from sleep and I'm about to take a shower. You understand? So if you are interested in knowing about how my JAMB went, my journey, my study pattern, my study tricks, you can subscribe. You can. I didn't say you should. It's your choice. You get to. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.